Welcome to e-Semplice Hub, where music theory is simplified. This is a grade 1 question, and your duty here is to spot the errors in the music. When you've spotted the errors in the music, all the errors, you will now rewrite correctly on the stave given below. Now, I just want to allow you a few seconds to see if you can spot some of the errors before we start solving this together. Just try to spot a few. Look at it bar by bar. I can help you to number the bar. Now this is bar 1. This is bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, bar 5, and then bar 6. So just look through bars 1 to 6. Try to see if you can spot some errors before we try solving these together. How many errors have you been able to spot? Okay, let's now do this together. From the beginning, I can see an error in the key signature. Even though F sharp and C sharp is correct, but the position of the F sharp shouldn't be here. The F sharp is written on line 5. So let's start by correcting that. So I put my first sharp here and then my second sharp. We've corrected that. Something is also wrong with the time signature. This time signature says 4/2, meaning 4 beats per bar. But looking through the music, we don't seem to have that. Rather, what we tend to have here, let me point to the bar that is like correct. We are only having 2 crotchets here, so 4/2 doesn't work. Rather, what it looks like a 2/4 time. So correct the time signature to 2/4. We now start working on the notes one by one. The first note is correct, so just write it down, rewrite it. The second note is wrong. Wrong in the sense that at this level, remember your stem rule. When a note head is below line 3, the stem can only go up on this side of the note. So this is wrong. Let's correct that. So you will have that like this. That's correct. Now, this other note too is wrong. The stem should rather be on this side of the note, not on this side. So you will write that correctly, and the stem comes over to this side. Now, it is correct this way, but to tidy your music and make it neat, it's better you beam these 2 quavers together. It will make your music neat. Now we've corrected bar 1. So draw the bar line. We move to bar 2. We move to bar 2. The 2 notes in bar 2 are correctly written. So just bring them down. Put the bar line. We move to bar 3. The first 2 notes in bar 3 are also correct. That's what we have. But something is wrong with the 3rd note in bar 3. When you write accidentals on notes, the accidental should be on this side, not on that side. So we are rewriting it and bringing the accidental to this side. So we are writing the 3rd note in that bar, and we are putting the accidental where it should be. Now, draw the bar line. We move to the next bar. Something is wrong with that note. When a dot is on a note, the dot should be on this side. Besides, the note itself, the stem should not be on that side. The stem should be on this side. Watch how I'm rewriting that. So the note will be here. the stem would be on this side and going up because the note head is below line 3, and then you put your dots. We've corrected that first note in that bar. Now, the quiver there, the stem shouldn't go up. It should rather come down, because another stem direction rule says when a note head is above line 3, the stem comes down. So we are rewriting that quiver this way. Then we draw the bar line. Now, we now go to the next one. That note, at that level, the stem should come down. So the crochet, just write it and put the stem down. The stem of this one should go up. Put the bar line. Now, we move to that bar. The first two notes in that bar are correct. So just rewrite them correctly. Now, something is wrong with that rest. If you add up these two quivers, it will only equate one crochet. So we still have one more crochet left. So the quiver rest is not correct. Rather, what we should have there should be a crochet rest to balance that bar. Then you put the bar line. The last note at that position, the stem should be on this side of the note. So just rewrite that and close your bar, and then we are through. So that's how to rewrite that music correctly. You need to practice more. When you practice more, it will be very easy for you to spot these errors in case you find it in the exam. It should be a question where you just score 10-10.